Hello guys and welcome back to me. Yeah, I know. I don't know. I just heard that Among Us had a new update, and I was supposed to record when my cousin is here, not where I am, but like when she calls me. But it's been like hours, and I finally have the opportunity to record because my family isn't here. And because it's late, I'm just gonna go and play by myself. Hide and seek, I played 2 times already. I suck at it. So let's see how this goes. I've been like the seeker once, only once. And I failed miserably. I just recovered from my sickness. I am a bit sick, but not that much. You can still hear my disgusting voice. Oh no, where's that one? I'm still in the beginner, so yeah. No, why do I look like this? No, did I not fit my ice cream? I think gray fits my ice cream. Oh, not really. That's fine. They show a new feature about petting your pets. Oh, I love that. It's so adorable. Wait a minute. This isn't hide and seek. The heck? Well, I guess we're gonna play this once. I thought I put it hide and seek though. That's weird. I am going to leave. Okay. Wait, we're back. We're here! This is the flashlight thing. Do I still not have my color? Oh, white! Yes, that's so good. Yes, I'm ice cream again. I'm a bit crying. By the way, about me drawing, I'm only gonna draw in Instagram, and also my drawing videos are gonna be on my TikTok. Because, wait a minute, this hide and seek. Fuck, no. Oh, he's getting closer to me. Ah! No thanks! No thanks! Heck! Didn't I run in time? What? Oh, you hide perfectly, didn't you? That was not fair! I hide perfectly, didn't I? That was not fair! That was not fair! So, if the music comes, that means we are very, very close to the imposter. This is horrifying. What is this? I don't understand the thing. Let me haunt him. I want to see where he is. By the way, when I played this, it was super hard because when I was the imposter, because I had to like move my lighting just so I could see. And also have to like focus on where you're going. It's horrible, especially in the plane, the red plane. I forgot the name. Aircraft, what I don't know. It's horrible. Aircraft, because there's like tiny places you could go, and that's just very annoying. Oh, he's here. There any other people? Yeah, there's Potato. Oh well, they're gonna die, I guess. They're all staying there, are you serious? Oh, Potato's gonna die. Are you not doing anything? Sure, not doing anything. Kill him. Kill him. Are you lagging? You lagging? Sure. What are you doing? Oh, he's giving pets to his... What are you doing, sir? Kill him. What is going on right now? Don't understand what this imposter is going on. This is... What? What is he doing? Potato. This is weird. He just left. The heck? Just left. He is probably gonna die. What was he doing? Potato was right there. Oh, what is he doing? I don't understand what he's doing. What is he doing? That's annoying. He goes for other people but don't go for other people. That is so obvious. Ah. Okay, so another game of hide and seek. I am dying right here. Wait. I'm gonna die. Yeah. Okay. I'm back. Sorry, guys. I hate it when I'm sick, but I'm not sick. It's confusing and it annoys. Because you can hear it in my voice that my voice changed. You're good. You're good. Ah. Oh, that's the animation. He just falls and dies. Oh, that sound is horrifying. Oh well, that is killed by that. Okay, I think I need to... Ah! Run. Run. Just run. I'm sorry, bestie. I'm running. No, I'm going. Oh, no. Won't like this. What do I do? I'm scared. Come on. I'm scared. Oh, no, I'm not going there then. Ah! No! No! Look at my pet. Oh, I'm so sorry. Why am I so fast? I'm so sorry I left you. I thought he was here, so I just tried to run over here. Then I saw like it was going up, so I tried to run away, but he was so fast. Oh my god. Why is everyone so fast? What the heck? That's not fair. Why are we so slow? Wow. What the hell was that? What the heck? That is just super mean. What colors do we have? Do we have color purple? We do, but color purple look nice. Purple does look nice, but it does not look nice to me. The outfit the skin can stay. It's hard working as a security guard. So wait. I want to see what it looks like of the imposter just, I don't know, turn into one. So he just falls. Yeah, I'm leaving now. Bye. Oh, the sound is horrifying. Oh, I need to clean this. Oh, yeah, we need to do this one. This one we definitely need to do. Okay. We're kind of stuck in here. We need to go to Met Bay. Okay. Yeah, we need to run now. We need to run now. Need to do this and get out. Go back in here. Don't know where to go. Oh. Need to run now. No. What? Where do we go? Ah! I went down, it says there's imposter there. I went up, the imposter is there. What do you mean? That's horrible. How are we supposed to know? Ah! Oh. Oh, that's not good, is it? Oh well. It says hunt, but I'm not hunting. That's what the imposter looks like. I just fall and die. Oh, that's horrifying. You have to finish all your tasks. That's horrible. Either finish your task or do nothing. Dude, what were you doing? What did you expect? There's bodies everywhere. Oh my goodness. This is horrible. More, it's even worse than what people have done. People like old hide and seeks, like before hide and seek actually a thing in Among Us, they would do not like this. This is horrible. Why is it so fast? Not even hide and seek is fast. What do you mean? Did we win? Yeah, we win. What the heck? What the heck is this? Why can I not touch anything? The beginner is like very horrible. Yes! Give me back my pink! Yay! Should I do this or this? I feel like this is better. Yeah. I haven't even done this one. Oh, I forgot about this. Yes! Woo! Yes, I am asexual. I couldn't be a cube. Technically, I am demisexual, not ace, but I could not find demisexual. So that's not my fault. Every time another person can track you. What? That's awful. So that person is gonna fall. We have like... Oh, not that much. Yes, we're gonna win this. Oh, no, I don't like that. Okay, 7, 6, 9. That's weird. But this place is... I think this place might be even worse. So we even walk there. I'm scared. Just the balcony. Just the balcony. We don't need anything else. Come on. I don't die. Are we done? Woohoo! Oh, let's get the crap out of it. Okay, well, that's dangerous. I'm dangerous. No! No! I knew it! I was just trying to run. I knew it. I was like, oh god, I'm gonna get out. Oh no, I need to go back in. Never mind. That was a horrible mistake. Oh, just killed like that. When I was the imposter, it took me like 3 seconds. 3 seconds. 3 seconds for me to kill somebody, and that's why I always miss them. I tried to vent. I was already in the bed. You can see like the arrows over there. You can see it. Also, why is all this hide and seek does not have the flashlight anymore? That's a bit weird. Where's the other? Oh, they're stacking here. Seriously? Yup, they're all stacking here. That's funny. Why are they there? Please vent. Guys, please vent. What a troll. What a troll. That's hilarious. What a troll. They just waited for the boys to come and then they all just vented. What a troll. Look at nice imposter. How did you... in the vent? I already vented. There's literally arrows. A couple more rounds and I can go out. No, my mother just insulted me saying that I sound like I'm always grumpy because of my deep voice. No, we're leaving. We're leaving. That's just weird. We need to go now. 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 We're not supposed to go down here. We're supposed to go over here. By the way, the imposter cannot vent. So, B4. I am seeing the meter right now. He is not here right now. I can pet them. Just don't want to. Ah! I just saw him. I have to go to the laboratory, so I'm gonna go. No, that's not a good thing. Yeah. Yep, nope, I need to go. Never mind. I have one more left. I need to go over here. Ah! How am I supposed to survive that? See? Ah! Don't kill me! Okay, I think he's coming over here, so I'm gonna go over here. Over there, over there! Go, need to go now. Oh well, I'm dead. I'm so dead. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die so bad. Oh, I need to go over there. I'm so sorry, my pet. Where is it? It's not there anymore. What the heck? Should I have done my task? No! What do you know? I couldn't pet my pet in time. I was trying to do that. That's why I went over here because I thought the imposter couldn't come. I wanted to pet my pet for last time because I already done my task. I knew I was gonna die. So sad. Where the hell is he going? You have no time. What the heck? I just wanted to pet my friends. I'm so sorry, Slime. I want to name him Slimesicle, but that's a YouTuber, so I can't. I don't think I can. Never mind, I'm just gonna call him a Slimesicle. Slimesicle, I'm sorry. Slimesicle for me is like slime with ice cream. And I have an ice cream on top of my head. So that's a perfect name. You just get the shit out of me. I just wanted to pet my pet. My tash, and they came running. Oh well, you guys can't see that, but they can't see it, but you guys can. They should let you know. Oh my god, not him. I don't like how when we become the imposter, it changed the whole stuff that we have, which is annoying. Go to the furthest place, thank you very much. I don't have 4 hiding? That's horrible. Why is it called hide and seek if it's not hiding? Doesn't seem to have a meter right now. I'm gonna pretend like this is normal. Okay, go to launch pad. Okay, what a nice technology. Okay, we're gonna hide now. We have many seconds left. I'm gonna pet my pet. I can't pet my pet for some reason. That's fine. Nope, we're leaving. What? What? Where? How? We're already in the vent. What do you mean? How did I die? They can still get you in the vent? Is that it? Heck? That's not fair. I'm trying to find. Yep, they're all dying. What is going on here? They're over here. Oh, yep. That was a close one. No, it's not fair. I was already in the vent. So, I'm guessing imposters can still kill you in vents. You're 4 miles away. Fuck you. Hey, no swearing. No swearing. It's just... I don't think I have a place to say it's just a game, but it is just a game. It's all fun and games. How am I supposed to hide good if they can just see me in bed? Could you believe that? I'm gonna do one in the office because usually in the office. Please do not scream at me, you dumb. Okay, well, that's that. 299. Fuck. 29953. I don't think the imposter can see our task, right? I think I've done my task. Is that it? Yep. Can I pet my pet? Why can we not pet our pet? Yeah, no. Yeah, I'm over here. Thank you. Yeah, I'm running away. Thanks. Why can I not pet my pet? Okay, there you go. It's gonna be okay. I promise you. It's gonna be okay. Even though this freaking hide and seek is terrifying. Why can I not pet my pet anymore? It's like sometimes like 50%. Might be lower than that, but whatever. Okay, I'm not doing that. I just wasted mine. If it goes up, then immediately press and leave. I'm just waiting. Because they can still get you in vents. That's the horrifying part. Didn't get us! Woo! Imagine if my neighbors hear me. Because they're right outside my door. Oh well. Yay! Finally survive. One shot. Let me pet my pet. For some reason I cannot pet my pet. There you go. Just keep petting him. I can't pet my pet. I'm clicking so fast right now. For some reason I cannot. Do I have to like click it long? Yeah, I do. Okay, I understand now. I have to click very long. That's annoying. Sounds like it doesn't work. There you go. Yeah, boys. Pet your pet. Pet your pet hashtag. Hashtag pet your pet, please. Okay. How about this time I just see what happens? I'm probably really gonna die. Let's see. You just fall and die. That's what you do. I'm gonna go to the reactor first because it's fun. Yeah, no, I'm leaving! Okay, reactor. Reactor time. Now, what do we do? Do we jump? I think he's getting closer. Please let me do my trashing, please. I have one again in the balcony? Serious? Serious right now. Oh. Nope. Oh, I might die. I might die. And that's fine. Oh, one more. Oh no. go to the office. Where is it? Oh, it's not there anymore. Okay. But I need to hide. I can't hide anymore. That's the problem. We're playing 1-on-1. That's all. Okay. It's just there now. Let me go over here then. Now we won. Shit. Ah! No! I was so close! No, oh my god. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching this video. This was really fun. If you want to see more videos about this game, well, you can also play it yourself. It's free. Just do it. Support the creator, please. This game was really fun. I hope you guys like it too. If you guys want me to play more, then give this a thumbs up. Thank you so much guys. Bye!